Hey guys, Shabir Khan here, and today I'm extremely excited to share my results with you on how I started a new income stream and how I made my first $100 with this income stream, and how my students are able to make their first dollars with this same income stream just by following a simple method that I am helping them to apply. And they did not recruit a single soul with it. Everything is happening by them just implementing what I'm telling them to do. And for the students who are not able to implement, I'm even helping some of my students implement this stuff. So without wasting any more time, let's go to my screen. Okay, so let's go here. So first of all, let me show you my results. Okay. Uh, Now, if you are following me for a while, you know that I've made tens and thousands of dollars. I've made over $125,000 with by launching multiple products on the Warrior Plus marketplace. But right now, I decided to take a challenge where I said that I would start from zero with a new income stream. So I took this challenge on 22nd of May on 20th of May 2025, as you can see here. And I started, I made this post. Would you pay $7 to start earning from 7 different income streams? Now, I started into this business by just investing $7. You won't believe this. Okay. And so far, today is 8th of July, and I have already made $125 with this income stream. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. I have my students and my team members who are able to start making their first dollars with this income stream right from the time I'm setting things up. Like in 3 days, they're able to start getting commissions once the system is set up. Now, this is one of my students. She has made $3.60 as her initial dollars with this income stream. And she did not do anything for this. She pretty much like I set up the entire system for her, and I set up the entire autoresponder for her. Like she got like 41 subscribers from the traffic. I even set up the traffic source for her. Like if you see here, she got like her first 100 clicks from this traffic source, from which she was able to get 41 subscribers. And from that, uh, she was able to send out emails. Now, she did not even set up this. I even set up the complete email automation for her. And if you see here, the emails are already going out for her. And as you can see, pretty much, I have set up 15 emails for her so far. And as you can see, she's receiving open rates up to 6% and up to 7% open rates. Plus, she's also getting click rates here, click through rates. Okay. So now, though this $3.60 does not look too big, but here's the interesting part. She's getting paid for clicks. Okay. There's something called magic link in this platform where you can get paid when someone just clicks your emails. When just someone clicks your links, they don't have to buy anything from you. Even if they just click, you will get paid commissions for just clicks. Okay. Now, here's the interesting part. I implemented the same strategy for some of my other students. And if you see, this student actually made $16 in commissions from the same strategy where he made this. So he made $16 in a single day by just getting clicks on his magic link. Okay. And he was able to get about 50 subscribers from 100 clicks. Now I am there's a strategy and there's a special bonus strategy that I'm helping them set them up so that they can get their first 100 clicks for free, and they're able to build their first list of subscribers Plus they're also getting, paid for building their list for with their first 100 clicks. And even better, like when we send more emails out to these subscribers, we will be able to make more money and we can promote any offer down the line. I'm also helping my students. I'm also helping my students to, um, you know, uh, guide them on what different high quality offers they can promote to make the most out of these subscribers. Okay. Now, then this is another student here. This student has made um about $14 so far. Same thing again. He made this money from the magic link July 5. Today is 8th of July when I'm making this video. Same thing. He got his 100 clicks and he got paid. And again, he was able to build a list of subscribers. And let me show that to you. Hang on. So let me just open his autoresponder here. Now, as you can see, this student was able to get 37 subscribers from these 100 clicks, and the emails are going out and people are opening and clicking his emails. Then I have another student. So if I go here, this is another student who has made about $16. Okay. And then we have, let's see, let me open another student results. See. Okay, so I have this. Now, this student has made $21 from the same strategy from his subscribers. First day he made $15, second commission was $4, and then 1.50, all from the clicks. Okay, and all from the list of same subscribers. He got like 50 subscribers, and again, pretty much 100 clicks, and he is able to build his email list and also get paid. And down the line, I would also be helping my students, grow their list to up to 1,000 subscribers. Right now, everybody is, super happy with the kind of results. And I am also able to make commissions on a consistent basis with this platform. I have it $125. Now, this is not big money right now, guys, but let me tell you something. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, because I am building an entire journey here and I'm showing my followers and my students that anybody can start from zero and move up to $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000. I started from zero in this income stream and I have already made $125, and this number is going to only increase in the coming days. Okay, and soon I will be making another video with $500 milestone and then with $1,000 milestone. Now, here's the interesting part. If you want to get started with just $7 initially into the system, and then I will guide you how you can get your first 100 clicks and how you can enroll into the system and how you can leverage all this ecosystem, start building your email list. See, understand, the money is in the list. If you've not heard of it, this is the best way of making money online by building an email list. Okay. So I am currently guiding my students, my followers, and my subscribers on how they can build an email list and also make money. Okay. So if you're watching this video on the sidelines, you can just click the link in the description of this video, join my Facebook group, and reach out to me via my Facebook group, saying you want to build your and make sure you mention that you want to build your email list and you saw me on YouTube. That way I will get back to you faster if you send me a message, and then I could help you set things up for you. And this is the best platform to make some good money. So that being said, guys, thank you for watching the video until the end. And if you want to truly make your 2025 better, make sure you reach out to me and I will guide you on how you can start making similar commissions. So that being said, I would like to stop recording here and don't sit there, guys. Just reach out to me if you or just comment below this video saying I want to start making money in 2025, and I will send you I will just reply you in the comments. And make sure you click the link in the description, join my private Facebook group, and reach out to me via there as well. And I plan to help at least 100 people grow their email list while they're making money from their list before the end of 2025. If you want to be out one of those 100 people, make sure you reach out. And this is the most transparent and honest review on affiliate marketing that you might have come across. Okay, please make sure you like this video, subscribe, and if you have not subscribed, and comment below this video if you like what I just showed you. Okay, because I'm helping you show how to build systems rather than going in the same vicious circle and buying shiny object or courses again and again and again. You will never reach where you want to reach unless you don't build systems and automations. And I am building systems and automations for my team and my students. Okay, take care, have a great day, bye bye.